What's going on, everybody? The wind is screwing with my hair, and I cannot show the car that is back there because this video is dedicated to that car. And I got a pretty cool little edit to bring the car to the channel and give you guys a good introduction to the car. Anyways, we got a beautiful sunset. We're out in the middle of nowhere right now. I am here with my fiance. Lots changed in the last 2 years from, she's taking pictures of the car that I'm about to show you guys. Anyways, I want you guys to meet her, and like I said, a lot's changed in the last 2 years, and yeah, my hair is getting blown around by the wind, but it's all good. But anyways, I just want my beautiful fiance to say hi.
Hi.
Anyways, here's the edit, and here's the new car. Actually the next day. I wanted a little more daylight to actually vlog for you guys on the new car and talk about it a little bit and everything I've already done, because I've already had this since last September, so about a year now. It is smokier than hell outside with all the smoke rolled in, but I don't know how well you guys can hear me, so I'm just going to speak up a little bit. Hopefully it comes across the audio better. The car is on cutouts. It does quiet down. I have a slight problem with one of the sides not always wanting to close easily, but I'll get that fixed sometime down the road. The car is catless. I mean, it identifies as catted. It has cutouts, and that's pretty much all I've done to it so far, because money's been a little tight with how the economy is right now, so gotta hold off a little bit. But if I start getting some good views on here, we'll start adding some power, most definitely. So, as a lot of you who probably know a lot about the 2013 Shelbys, this one is a performance package, has the diff cooler and everything, and you know, I'm glad that I went with the performance package and got the glass roof. It was a hard find. My fiance and I found it, and we went for it, and yeah, so we're where we are at now. Can't speak or shit today. But yeah. Anyways, other than that, like I said, not much is done to it. You know, the horsepower rating on these was 662 crank. A lot of people dynoed them and got 600 wheel. That's not really 15% drivetrain loss. It's a little less if you calculate it, but not bad. But yeah. Anyways, guys, the next clip is going to be me taking my fiance out for her birthday, some nightclub action, and of course taking the Shelby out there. And yeah, right now I'm traveling to her house, so I will see you guys when I get to her house. Bye. everybody. I doubt you can even hear me in this fucking place, but I made it to, well, we made it to Tahoe. Like I said, it is the next day, and it's her 21st birthday, so everybody give her some birthday wishes down in the comments. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but we're in a nightclub right now. We're gonna enjoy our time, and yeah, we'll get back to some more car content for you guys. Here's some street racing for you. If you're gonna hear me, here's some street racing for you guys. Please.
Cherokee, if they off-road that shit, they don't more breaking. Every Jeep I've ever seen.
Got fucking light bars and fucking